In Microsoft OneNote, you can easily insert audio. In order to insert the audio, simply go on to the Insert menu right here and go to File Attachment. And once you do that, the Explorer window pops up and you can select any audio clip you like and press Insert. Once you do that, you can see that the Insert File pop-up menu appears and it asks you whether you want to attach the file or insert a printout. So attaching file is what you want. If you want the notes to be soft copy, and insert printout is for when you want to print just the icon of the audio clip, which does not really make sense. So I'm just going to attach the file right here, and once you do that, you can see that the icon actually appears. And when I click this, you can see that the play button actually is there, so you can play the audio. Alright, so you can hear that out. You can play the audio, and then even with audio and video settings right here to change everything out, to change the device, the input, the codec, the format, and so forth, which we're going to talk in further lessons. So that is how you can insert an audio clip inside of Microsoft OneNote. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.